Alright, what's happening, you guys? Working on this little Suzuki LT-A50. And if you saw my previous video, you will see how I created a modification so that I could install a pod filter on the Mikuni VM12 carburetor. As you see, it fits nicely on there. So check out my other video on how I did that, because a lot of people want to do that, but this carburetor does not normally have a good round mount, so you have to buy something, install that, and slightly modify it so that it'll fasten to the back of the carburetor, as you see there. Anyway, check out my other video on that. But this little guy is coming together. I had to replace the little parental cutoff switch back here. You can get one of these. It's just a generic little switch, and then connect it to the OEM wiring. The white wire connects to the black and white stock wire. Then the black ground wire connects to the black yellow stock wire, and I just created my own little connectors right there. But this little thing runs like a champion now, man. I'm telling you. I haven't even ridden it yet, but have run it a few times here in the shop, and it is doing good. So let's fire it up. Very pleased with how this little thing is doing. All these parental switches and whatnot, whatever. If we can get her going. A little cold-natured. She runs good. Alright, so what I've done are some common mods to this thing where you remove the restrictors on the intake. There's a restrictor in there you have to remove. There's a restrictor inside the exhaust right as it comes out of the the head or the cylinder. You have to remove that. Also, I removed the secondary pilot jet inside the carburetor because there's two of them in there. You remove one of them. Install also a 70 main jet, because since you're getting more airflow going through it, coming in and out, you need to get some more fuel going through there. Otherwise, it will run too lean, and that's not good for any motor, especially a little one like this. Anyway, very pleased with how it's coming out. We got all kinds of stuff that we're going to repair and replace. I got all new plastics for it, and going to paint the wheels a little bit nicer. But it's looking good, running good, very pleased with it. Stole this thing for next to nothing, and just fixing her up and getting her ready for sale for the Christmas season. So check out our other videos on this guy, and all kinds of other stuff we got, motocross bikes, Harley Davidsons, Chevy trucks, Buick Skylarks, bobbers. We got all kinds of stuff we're always fooling with around here. So check out our other videos. We'll see y'all later.